Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Netflix account on mobile. All right, it could be in your iPhone or Android. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead over to netflix.com, hit on enter, and you'll be landed to this exact page. Now, once you're in here, you can now go ahead and enter your email address and hit on get started. And once you hit on get started, you'll be shown multiple plans. All right. For as low as $3, you can get a Netflix account, but the quality will vary depending on the plan that you select. For example, the cheapest one right here is $3. Well, unfortunately, you won't be able to see 4K videos, all right, or HDR. Now, if you want a subscription for cheaps, you can go ahead and do so by going to the comment section below and just tap on this link, all right? Tap on it, and once done, your browser will open. Just wait for it. Now, as you can see here, it says $4.53 per month. But don't worry, you can go ahead and get it for cheaper by entering a promo code. And don't worry, I do have a promo code. Okay? Just tap on purchase now. I'll wait for this section to load. As you can see here, for 3 months, the price will be $14.49 if you're only going to be using one profile. All right? Just a quick heads up. If you select one profile, this is a shared account, and per account, it has 5 profiles and you only have one in there. Okay, you can just go ahead and straight up log into that profile and enjoy Netflix. Now, if you want a private profile, you can go ahead and do so by selecting this one, and you can go ahead and share 4 other profiles to your loved ones. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to be selecting 3 months for one profile at $14.49. Now, to enter a promo code, just tap on this section, have a promo code or coupon, tap on it. Now enter the promo code GUMMY, G-U-M-Y, and just hit on apply. All right, as you can see here, it's now $13.77 for 3 whole months. And as you can see here, included is 4K, Ultra HD, and Dolby Vision at Atmos plus HDR. All right, again, if you're just going to be using the normal Netflix subscription, you're only going to watch it from HD, or like 1080p. So going back, just go to payment right here. Wait for it to load and just sign up. Okay, you can go ahead and use your Gmail, Facebook, or KakaoTalk. All right, and in the next page, it will ask for a payment method. If you want to, you can go ahead and select auto renewal or just one-time payment if you just want to try it out. Okay. Also, you have the option to enter your Binance account if you want to use your Binance account as a payment method. Okay, so just hit on Pay Now, and then here just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name of the card. And if you want to save your payment method for future use, you can go ahead and tap on this tick box and then hit on Pay Now. And after that, go ahead over to your subscriptions and you'll be able to see your passcode and the email address that you would use for signing in to Netflix. All right. If not, a customer support right here will get in touch and let you know what credentials you will use for your Netflix sign in. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.